it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make super cute and fun festive earrings for the upcoming spooky season and Halloween? I will be using items from the newest Softlex company design kit, Gone Batty. And I was inspired by Joyce when she used this component on one of her lives for Softlex Company. So I thought it'd be really fun to make little cute earrings. Beads from the Gone Batty kit, and I will leave a link down below if any of these items are still available, as well as a playlist for all other Gone Batty tutorials. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Added some of these beads onto head pins. And then we're just going to make wrap loops. So I'm going to have 5 little dangles on my earrings, and I will be using the one-step looper in a 1.5 millimeter. It gives me a perfect loop every time. Just going to slide that into our tool and give it a gentle squeeze, and it's going to give us a loop. Let's take our round nose pliers and make sure that the loop is completely closed. We won't want to lose our little dangles. We're going to need some 6 millimeter jump rings, our little filigree component, and an ear wire. So to open up our jump ring, we're just going to gently twist side to side. We're going to attach it to the top part of our component. We're going to put our cute little bat charm on with the moon and give it a close. And these moons and bat charms are available on softflexcompany.com. There's a few other styles for the Halloween season, so I will go ahead and leave a link down below for those. We're just going to open the next jump ring and attach our ear wire. And give it a close. You can use smaller jump rings if you want to. You could use a 4 millimeter if the earring is going to be too large for you. So now we're going to attach our little tassels on the bottom and our little dangles. And you could probably cluster them together if you wanted to. I love how they're like an opalite. So anytime the light hits them, they're just going to kind of glow. And then you have that little sparkle from the silver bead. So I always like to start in the middle, and we're kind of doing like a little chandelier finding where we're adding our tassels. And we're going to attach each one to a jump ring. And if you are using the one-step looper, if you use the 3 millimeter loop, you might be able to attach your dangles directly to this filigree piece. We're just going to go to the next opening on the filigree, give it a close. You'll hear that little click. So we're just going to add on all our little dangles. And I do have 2 of the Gone Batty kits, so I have another filigree piece to make a pendant with the same design. So stay tuned for that tutorial. And then we're just going to attach our last little component with our jump ring. Quick and easy earrings. And I feel like with the filigree, it just really adds that element and the statement piece for the design and super lightweight. Have our Gone Batty earrings. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all other Halloween tutorials, as well as tutorials with the Softlex Company Design Kit. Have an awesome day.